Hello, good morning children. So, today we are going to learn and know about the numbers. Previously, we have seen what are the solutions to know the numbers. See here, first you should know the digits. What are the digits? 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or digits. Okay, that numbers only we used to write more than lakh, right? So, that digits you should know to put it in the places and also face values, place values. What are the place values? Ones place, tens place, from left to right you have to go see. So, you need to go from here this way. So, units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and so on. You are in now 4th class. You have to learn up to lakh now, right. Now, face values. The numbers, the digits we are using now, that digits, maybe you take 5. Now, that digit 5, it changes its value according to the places. 5's value, if it is in the tens place, it is 50. If it is in the hundreds place, it is 500. If it is in the ones place, it is 5. So, like that, its face value will change, right. Next solution to know your numbers is comparing the numbers. What is that comparing? Greater, bigger or equal to or between numbers or which comes before, which comes behind, after. So, what is in front of, what is behind, these all you should know it. So, suppose you take 30 to 40, what are the between numbers you should know? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, isn't it? So, like that, comparing the numbers, knowing the numbers, right. Next one, suppose you have a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number, you can expand the number. Now, take 39. How do you expand the number? 3 tens, 3 into 10 is equal to 30 plus 9, 39, isn't it? So, like that, we are going to learn some applications, those solutions, digits, place values, face values, comparing numbers, expanding numbers. So, that we are going to, and next is operations. What type of operations you do with the numbers? 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? It may be addition, it may be subtraction or multiplication or division. 4 operations. It is not I operation, okay? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. So, these are the 4 operations you can do in your knowing numbers. Now, we have that type of questions here. In knowing numbers, we are going to apply all these things: digits, place values, face values, comparing numbers, greater or bigger, before after numbers, between numbers and so on, and expanded forms and as well as 4 operation. Are you ready to learn? Yes. We will start page number 36. See there, page number 36, I have given you 3rd and 4 as a homework, but anyhow, we will see, check once again that 3rd question, how to write that 3rd answer. How to write that 3rd answer. See here, what is the question? Read the question there. I am a 2-digit number with a 6 in the units place and 1 in the tens place. Who am I? What may be the answer here? you should know the digits. What are the digits here? 6 and 1 it seems. What are the places here? Tens place we are writing. See the places. These are the two places given. Ones digit and tens digit. So this question, third question, you need to write in the ones digit 6. In the ones digit 6 units place. Ones means you can say units, or ones, right? So in this ones place or units place we put a 6. What you will write in the tens digit? We have to write 1. What does it make now? It is 16. Who am I? It is 16. So the answer is 16. How many digit number is that? 2 digit number. 16 is the 2 digit number. Right? 16 is the 2 digit number. How do you expand this number? Now you know now the place value and face value. Right? Now how do you expand this number? 10. 1 tens are 10. 10 plus 6. That way you can expand. Now addition also you came to know. Right? We are going to the fourth question now. See there. Fourth question answer. What is the question? Read the question. I. Who is that I? Unknown number. We don't know that number. I lie between 30 and 40. So what is the solution here? You should know what are the numbers that come between 30 and 40. Shall I write 30? Will you tell me? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, I finished writing the numbers now. What is the question there? I lie between these numbers. This many numbers are there. Who is that I? What clue is given there? The digit in my units place and same as the digit in my tens place. See here, same do you have? Where do you have? Yeah, here. What is that number? 33. So, what you will write? 33 is the number which have three in the units and tens digit. Units and tens digit. That's all the answer. Now we are going to moving to the fifth question. Okay? Shall I do the fifth question? See there. Read the question. Find all the 2-digit numbers. Find all the 2-digit numbers whose digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the units place. So, let's pass. See, did you read that fifth question? Find all the 2-digit numbers whose digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the units place. Understand properly? Whose digit in the tens place is twice than the units place. Now, for this, what you need? You should know the numbers, 2-digit numbers. What are the 2-digit numbers? Do you know? repeat now. I have written on the board. See, all these are 2-digit numbers. Only ones digit means units digit and tens digit we have. Up to 99 I wrote. If I write 100, what it will become? It will become 3-digit number. So, now in this chart, you need to check units place. See there, twice the digit in the units place. Suppose you take 1 in the tens place. Then units place, how much it will be? 1 plus 1, double, 2. So, which number shall we write? 12. Once again question you listen. Whose digit in the tens place is twice? In the tens place, digit should be twice in the units place. That type of numbers he is asking you to find out. Now, shall we round up now? 12, okay, 24. So, 2 in the tens digit. What is the double number? 4. 12, 24, then 48. Here 3, 6 also double number only. Okay. How many numbers do you have? 12, 24, 36, 48. Do you get any other double number? It will become 3-digit. If I go to 50, what it becomes? Double means 100. That becomes 3-digit number. From here onwards, after 49, you will get all double number, 3-digit numbers. So, how many numbers are there? 12, 24, 36 and 48. See, here you check, units digit is double than the tens digit, that is 12, 24, 36, 48. Now, we are going to see tens digit should be double than the units digit. 21, 42, 63, 84. So, your answer, what you have to write there? Right now, 21, 42, 63 and 84 are the number or the 2-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers have tens place, twice the units place. Did you finish writing? See once again, 21, 42, 63 and 84 are the 2-digit numbers have tens place twice the units place. Now, we can have this way also. See, here tens place is double. Here units place is double here. You check here. 48, 36, 24 and 12. If the question is, if the units digit is double than the tens digit, then how do you write the answer? 12, 24, 36 and 48. So, now what is the answer you have to write? 21, 42, 63 and 84 are the 2-digit numbers have tens place twice in the units place, right? Now we will go to the next question. Pass. Let's move to the question number 6 now. What is in the question number 6? Find all the 2-digit numbers having the same digit in the units and tens place. So, how to round up now? We have to round up 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So, right now 11, 22, 33, 44, write down 55, 66, 66, 77, 89, 8 and 99. Repeat again. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99 are the 2-digit numbers have the same digit in the units and in the tens place. And in the tens place. Did you write? Finished? See children, let's go to the 7th question now. I am a 3-digit number. 3-digit means what are the places you will have? Units place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. The digit in my hundreds place is 6. What is in the hundreds place? 6. Okay. What is in the tens place? That is 0. What is in the units place? 9. Then what will be the number? Read out the number. 609. Who am I? 609. I am a 3-digit number. The digit in my hundreds place is 6. The digit in my tens place is 0. And the digit in my units place is 9. Who am I? I am 609. So, 7th question answer you write, I am 609. Finished. Okay. Now, we will move to the 8th question there. See the 8th question. Find all the 3-digit numbers whose digit in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the units place and the digit in the tens place is 1. See, find all the 3-digit numbers whose digit in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the units place. So, suppose if I put 3 in the units place, what will be, suppose if I put a 1 in the units place, what will be in the hundreds place? 3 times, that is 3. Okay. What is in the tens place? 1. Always 1 only in the tens place. So, what is the number now? Read out the number. 311. See the question once again. whose digit in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the units place. Now shall we go for next question? Means next number. Now suppose if I put here 2, what shall I write here? 6. Okay. Then what is in the tens digit? 1. 612. See, units digit is 2. Triple you have to make in the hundreds digit. That is 2 3s are 6. So what is the number now? 612. Suppose if I put 3 here and tens digit is 1, and what will be in hundreds digit? That is 9. Say the number 913. Shall we write here? What are the 3 numbers there? Tell me. 311. Can you see? Visible? Is it visible? 311, 612, and 913. Apart from this, you will not get other number. It will become 4-digit number. That's why I didn't go to that, right? This is your answer. So how to complete this answer? 311, 612 and 913 are the 3-digit numbers in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the units place. The digit in the tens place is 1. Is 1. Did you finish? See children, 9th question. Find all the numbers that lie between 500 and 600 whose digit in the units place is the same as the digit in the tens place. So I have written here 500 to 600. Right? Now we need to see units place and tens place should be the same, it seems. Hundreds place will be 5 only. Okay. So what we will round up? 511, 522, 533, 544, 555, 566, 577, 588, 599. Right? So now write down the answer. All these rounded numbers you write down. 511, 522, 533, 544, 555, 566, 577, 588, 599 are the numbers which have in the units place and in the tens place same digit. That is the answer. Okay. There is one more question, 10th question. Look at the question there. Gauri has 1000 and two 10 rupee notes. 1000. How to write 1000? Like this. 0, 0, 0. After 999, 3 digit number. Next number is 4 digit number. 1, 0, 0, 0. So now 2 10 rupees it seems plus 20. 2 10 rupees is equal to 20. So these are rupees. 1000 rupees note and 20 rupees note. 2 10 rupees. 2 into 10. Okay, 20. So how much you get? Totally 1020. What did you write in the units digit? 0. What did you write in the tens digit? You wrote 2 in the tens digit. What did you write in the hundreds digit? 0. What did you write in the thousands digit? 1. So what is your answer? 1020. How to write 1020? 1020. That's the answer. So we will see next class about expansion of numbers.